Welcome to this beautifully renovated one-bedroom apartment, where modern style meets unbeatable convenience. Perfectly positioned in a sought-after Riverside location, this light-filled home offers low-maintenance living just moments from the Swan River, Perth CBD, Crown Entertainment Complex, and Optus Stadium. Inside, you'll find a bright open-plan living and dining area featuring contemporary finishes, timber-look flooring, and direct access to a private balcony with elevated views of the Perth city skyline. The thoughtfully renovated kitchen boasts generous bench space, ample storage, modern appliances, and a stylish patterned splashback, making it both functional and inviting. The spacious bedroom includes built-in storage, while the updated bathroom showcases modern finishes and a sleek walk-in shower. Whether you're a first home buyer, investor, or looking for the perfect city base, this move-in ready apartment offers the ideal blend of comfort, style, and location. Contact Sean McConnon today to arrange your private inspection and discover everything this exceptional property has to offer.